Hey Nick, we got our shirts. We love them. They're great.
They fit outstanding, bro. Appreciate it.
Perfect. Told you it wasn't going to be too little.
So I've been using these little, I think they're made for screwdrivers, to hold my racks on the, or clamps on the pegboard, as you can see. Well, they're just a little bit flimsy for that. So we're going to make them out of wood today. Just really quick, simple, easy scrap wood build project. Check it out. Alright, so here they are.
Honey, I think we screwed up.
How did we screw up? They hold good.
I think that's my shirt.
But it fits me nice.
But it does. You look lovely. But I think that's my shirt.
Well, alright, I'll let you try it. Honey, I guess you're right. That does look a lot better on you than it did me. It was very slimming though.
Yep.
Alright then. So, here's the rack. Back up. The clamp rack. Very simple, very easy project. And they don't fall off and hit you on the head. So, be sure if you like the video, be sure you give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. Also, check out my homepage for all the other social media type activities that I might participate in. Alright, y'all have a good day.
That's the point.
Don't laugh.
What?
You're not? So I've been using these. Shut up. It's alright, I can edit that out. I guess she was right. Again. You do look a lot better than that than I did. So thanks, Nick. We appreciate it, man. Well, I guess you're right. This does fit a little bit better. And that looks a lot better on you than me. So thanks again, Nick. Look, you even signed it.
Yep.
Cool. You want to show off my clamp rack?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!